To find the parameter, we need to know exactly what is the parameter first. So the parameter is all the sides from A to B, then from B to C, and from C to D, and finally from D to A. So adding all these sides, or adding the length of the sides AB plus the length of BC plus the length of CD, and finally adding the length of DA or AD, this is the parameter. To find the parameter using DESMOS, we can use this simple strategy. First, we need to recognize the points, the coordinate of the points. First, with the point A, we should start from 0, going to the -1, then -2. So we run to the -2, then we rise to the 1 by 1 unit. So the point will be like this: 0, -1, -2 as run, which is the x coordinate, and then rise to the 1 as the y coordinate. So the point will be like this: -2, 1. For the B, we need to start from 0, then rise 1, 2, 3. As we notice here, there is no run. So we didn't run to the left or to the right or to the left. So the point will be like this: we start from 0, run, then rise 1, 2, 3. So the point will be like this: 0, 3. For the point C, we can see that we can start from 0. We should start from 0 and then run 1, 2, 3. So we run 3 and we rise 1, 2, 3. So the point will be like this: run 3 and rise 3. For the point D, we need to start from 0, run 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then rise as 1. So the point will be run as 5, rise as 1. So now we have the points, which is -2, 1 as A. Using DESMOS, we need to use the symbols like this. I prefer to use A capital equal to -2, 1. This is the first point. I can label it to make it more easy to be recognized on the graph. Here is the A. The second point, which is 0, 3, B. So the second point is the point B equal to 0, 3. I prefer to label it as B, so it will be easy for us to recognize it as B. Then the third point, which is C, 3, 3. So we have the point C equal to 3, 3. We need to label it as C. So now we can see on the graph that we have A, B, C. The last point which is 5, 1. This is the point D. The point D equal to 5, 1. I need to label it as D. So now we have all the points that we need. First, we need to find the length of AB, as we said at the beginning of the video. To find the length of AB using the DESMOS, we write distance between parentheses, then A, comma, B, we close the parentheses, and the length is 2.82, etc. The second, which is the segment from P to C, to find the length BC, we can use the same. So to make it easy, we can copy this formula and just we need to write B, comma, C, and the length of the BC is 3. The third one, which is the length of segment CD, to find CD, we can do the same by taking the copy, and then we have C, comma, D, and the length is 2.82, etc. The last one, which is the segment DA, we can use the same strategy by taking the copy, and then we can use for example here DA, which is 7. To find the parameter, as we said at the beginning of the video, we need to add it all together, 2.82, etc. We need to round it to be like 2.8, then plus 3 plus 2.8 and plus 7, and the answer is 15.6. So in this case, using DESMOS, the parameter, which is AB, BC, CD, and DA, is 15.6. So the parameter is 15.6.